let it cook a little bit more. Look how it looks. Oh, it's heavy. There we go. Look at that. It's looking good. We're putting in the potatoes. That's potatoes, peppers, Brussels sprouts, carrots. That's a mixture of stuff, squash. So we're gonna cut our tomahawk because there's a lot of us. So we're gonna cut our meat up. We're gonna be cutting into. Welcome guys to another video. We are getting our blackstone ready. We're gonna put butter on our grill. We already seasoned it, so we're just gonna put a little bit more butter because we're gonna be cooking a lot of stuff today. So see how we're doing that. We're going to be cooking this, guys. We're gonna be cooking a tomahawk, and then we're gonna cook some bacon wrapped shrimp, and we're gonna cook some other steak meat that we have. We have a lot of stuff that we're gonna cook. So don't forget to go get your like, guys, and comment if you appreciate it. Let's get to cooking.
$50.
Our tomahawk steak, we're going to be putting it on the grill. Look at that. Nice piece of meat. There we go, guys. A nice tomahawk. We have some other steak we're going to cook for you guys. That. I'm gonna put it on our grill. Some nice thin steak.
Ahorita con los chiles.
We're going to put some bacon wrapped shrimp on there. Nothing tastes better than bacon. There we go, guys. Let's cook some food. Some bacon wrapped shrimp to go with our tomahawk steak and some flat steak. We're going to be grilling some good food today.
Como suena, mira.
Okay guys, we're going to put some butter on our tomahawk because butter, it tastes better on the tomahawk. So we're buttering that, making sure that it's nice and buttery. Nothing tastes better than butter, guys, on the steak. It gives it that nice flavor. Now we're going to be putting some garlic on top of the tomahawk. Garlic's always good.
Así está bien, ¿verdad?
Yep, that's good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna nicely coat it.
So good. Vamos a echarle.
And we're gonna put some thyme on it. We're gonna put some thyme on it. We're gonna put all of it on there. So.
Todo.
Yep. Put all of that on there. There we go.
Vamos a echarle esto.
And we're gonna put some Monterey steak seasoning sauce on our steaks. That tastes really good, guys. Nice and seasoned Monterey steak. Always good to use for steak.
Esa es la cocina nueva que compramos.
And this is our blackstone we're using, guys. Nice blackstone. So here we go. There's the
bacon. Vamos a tapar, mire, vamos a tapar. Mire qué bonito, mire qué bonito.
Nice. There's all our other stuff. We're gonna flip over our steak, our flat steak. As soon as we're done flipping this over, we're going to season it also.
Estamos listos.
Yeah. Let's put some seasoning on there, some more Monterey steak. Nice steak. Everything else is cooking beautifully. There's the tomahawk. We still gotta let it sear some more. There's our bacon wrapped shrimp. Coming out good, guys. If you like this video, make sure you guys go like. Look at this shrimp. Nice looking shrimp, some bacon wrapped shrimp. It has some cheese in it, it has some herbs in it. Yeah, it's gonna be good once it's ready. Tomahawk's not quite ready to turn over. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. Look how it looks. Oh, it's heavy. There we go. Look at that. It's looking good. We'll flip it over in a little bit. We're gonna flip it over. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty. Beautiful. We're taking our steak out because it's already ready. Gonna take our bacon wrapped shrimp out as well because that's ready. See all that cheesy bacon wrapped shrimp. Really good. We're gonna make the eggs because we're gonna make some little stir-fried chicken rice.
Estos eggs son de mis chicken, miren.
Those are chicken eggs. There you go, guys.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna move some of this stuff and put it on top of the tomahawk. That has plenty of butter on it. Here's our stir-fried rice. We already have it ready. We're just doing our own twist on it. Gonna put some soy sauce on it. Let it cook. We're putting in the potatoes. Has potatoes, peppers, Brussels sprouts, carrots. Has a mixture of stuffed squash. I'm gonna let that cook. There's our fried rice right there with some chicken and some more fresh eggs. Stir this up. The tomahawk is cooking nicely. Look at that.
Vamos a dar vuelta a este corte.
Let's flip this over.
Mira. Vamos a hacer aquí de ladito esto.
Oh yeah. Gotta put everything to the side. Oh, look at that. Pretty.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna take our fried rice out because it's ready.
So good.
So good. Oh, it's gonna be tasty.
Oh yeah. Arroz chino.
Nice. We're gonna put some salt on our veggies.
Está bien así.
And then now we're gonna flip the meat on the side. We're gonna do the tomahawk. After we stir some of these veggies.
Oh yeah.
Gotta let them saute a little bit more.
Thank you for subscribe, thank you for like, comment, thank you.
Don't forget to like, guys. Here we go. We're gonna sear the meat. Look at that. We're gonna use the sides. It's almost ready. Real heavy. Está pesado. It's a heavy piece of tomahawk. Being seared in the sides now.
Vamos a darle vuelta al otro
We're
lado.
gonna do the other side now. I'm gonna sear the other side of it. It's heavy. It's a heavy piece of meat. Our veggies are ready, so we're going to take them out. Brussels sprouts, carrots, baby squash, potatoes, red pepper, yellow pepper, onions with some butter and garlic. And steak right there. Oh yeah. If you like the video, go like and comment. Thank you guys. So we're going to cut our tomahawk because there's a lot of us, so we're going to cut our meat up. We're going to be cutting into slices. Oh, look at that. Nice and juicy.
Okay.
Cutting it into slices.
Miren.
It's going to be good. You can smell all the herbs that we used today. He's cutting it off the bone. It's a big bone, guys. Look at how pretty that is. We're going to make a plate out of all of this. We're going to be using our fried rice, our potatoes, and all our veggies. And then look at the bone on it. Oh, that looks so good. You have to have a really sharp knife, like Jose always says, to cut through this stuff.
No, y el hueso no lo voy a perder. Mira.
Heck no, he's gonna eat that bone. Está bueno.
So good.
So good, guys. And that's because we still got to prepare the plate. It's good. And lick it to the bone.
Estoy como un dog ahorita.
Our tomahawk is ready.
Rice chino.
Making our plate, guys, with some stir-fried chicken, rice.
Casi no ando hambre, pero me voy a forzar. Va a ser un esfuerzo. No, cuando yo cocino, mi gente, nomás lo veo por el video, pero yo no como ahí nomás la pruebo y eso es todo. Mire la carne. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Quedó bonito el plato, mírelo. Ahí está, tenemos 2 jarritos aquí. Y a comer, se ha dicho.
So we made a tomahawk steak today. We made some potatoes and we made some stir-fried rice, bacon wrapped shrimp, some flat steak. We cooked good today, so if you guys like, go comment. And thank you guys for watching us today.
Qué rico lo que hay aquí. Arroz chino. Mira la carnita cómo quedó. Oh yeah. Vamos a ver cómo sabe. Arroz.
Gotta taste.
Señor.
So don't forget, guys, to go like, guys, and thank you guys for watching us today. Look at this tomahawk steak, guys. It's so good.
Está bueno. So good.